one topic that is one of the things I've looked at as a particular interest to me is women in this story, and women in development of local industry, women in the development of business, the role that women are playing in this move to refinement, as we see a merchant class emerging, as we see a middle class taking shape. We see women being encouraged to produce textiles, not for the home, but textiles that can be used to be sold at market. Okay, women are being encouraged to produce bonnets. That may sound odd, but huge market during the early republic in the United States for the fashionable straw-made leghorn bonnets. It was big business in southern New England. And part of this was that whole idea of we don't need European imports, we can make these ourselves. So when we look at some of the agricultural societies, for example, in Chittenden County and Burlington during the 1820s, we find awards being given to women for the best leghorn bonnet. We find write-ups in the local newspapers talking about experiments that local women are doing with various types of grasses so that they can produce leghorn bonnets that could be sold to markets outside of the area. So that's one way. Another way in which women are engaged is establishing businesses. Women are setting up millinery businesses, mantua makers who were dressmakers at the time, and they are coming here from places such as Boston. They're coming here from southern Vermont, and they're establishing these businesses because there's a demand. There's a demand for those fashionable goods, for the clothing, for the hats, for the fancy goods. So this is a gradual process, 1790s, early 1800s. By the time we hit the 1820s, it's very clear that this role that women are playing is I would argue it's central, it's certainly important. And